I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing for 30 days and I made $17,325 in commission using free traffic. In this video, I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just in one single month using free traffic. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, and I made this commission from the first day of the month of August until the day 30. So it's 30 days, okay? Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. I can click here. This is my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate. Even I have my ID here. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. So anyway, if you guys are interested, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions and it's up to $150 just for one service. If one person buy a service from you, we have services that are very profitable and you can earn up to $150. Okay, it's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable. So anyway, just click over here on join now, and as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, choose your language, and if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest and that made me a lot of commissions. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page on Fiverr, click over here on the search and search for Pinterest. Search for Pinterest SEO. Search for this one, Pinterest SEO. Okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. So please pay close attention. Always choose good sellers. So you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing the service. What you need is you need to choose good sellers like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, pro sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check those sellers. If those sellers has a good feedback, good reviews, then they will trust and they will buy those services from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose one. Let's say for like this one. You guys can see this one is from Fiverr Choice and this one has almost 5 star and a lot of reviews. So what you will do, I will just click on this service like this and you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. You guys can see this seller has 13 orders in queue. A lot of people paid for this service and it's working. So people are already paying for this service. It's already working. People keep coming back because this seller is providing good service for his customers. So which people will buy this service? Of course, people who use Pinterest accounts, who want to grow their businesses on Pinterest. So it's working. You just need to do it correctly to earn commissions. Those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working, people will not buy those services from you. If people will not buy those services from you, why the seller has those orders in queue? A lot of reviews, people keep coming back. Anyway, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Let me show you. And go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. It's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to sign up by using your email address. Click over here on this link. You choose business account, not personal account, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. So it's easy and simple. What you will do next, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page, and as you can see guys, this seller is using video.
Attention! If you want to expand your online presence and reach more customers, don't overlook Pinterest. With its massive user base and search engine capabilities,
you guys can see this video explaining this service and explaining to people who are using Pinterest how this service will help them grow their businesses on Pinterest and scale it and make more money, maybe get more sales, promote services or any business. Anyway, so what you will do next, you will double click on the video. You need to save this video to your laptop. Click on save video, and that's it. So let me show you. I'm gonna name it, let's say pin growth, for example. I will click on save, and that's it. Go back to Pinterest like this. Just go back to your Pinterest, to this Pinterest page. Click over here and upload this video about Pinterest SEO. Okay, this one. Click on open, and here you go. You just need title and description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this. Go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you guys how we can do it. It's easy. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords or tags related to this service. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see related tags, this one, until you see this. Okay, so copy those keywords. You have a lot of keywords here: Pinterest marketing, Pinterest SEO, Pinterest manager. Copy all those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. So you just need to wait a few seconds for this one to be publishing, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, it's super easy guys. It's really easy. It will take just a few minutes from your time. If you guys have, let me see, if you guys just started, promote just one service per day. Okay, don't promote a lot. If you start promoting a lot of services per day with new Pinterest account, your account will get banned. So start with just one service per day, After few months, after your account will be good, after few weeks, just few weeks, after like four between 4 and 6 weeks, then you can start increasing and promote 2 services per day, 3 services per day, and that's how we can keep scaling and keep growing and keep promoting more services to scale your commissions. And that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as beginner using free traffic. Choose Go to Fiverr, choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help people to grow their businesses on Pinterest. Start promoting those services, choose good sellers, stay consistent, because consistency is key. If you want to succeed, you need to stay consistent. It's not for to stay consistent for 1 week or 2 weeks or even 1 month. You need to stay consistent for at least 3 months, okay, if you want to see a result. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years. I was doing a lot of mistakes, and keep learning, keep doing more research. That's how I started making like these commissions per month. I make every single month I make over 10k per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, I'm not and by the way guys, so I want to make this clear, these commissions didn't come just from Pinterest. I'm not using Pinterest, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Google, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Quora, I'm using LinkedIn, I'm using so much more uh, social media platform to get free traffic, YouTube, and so much more. If you want to see more videos about this and share with you all those methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing. Also, I have an affiliate marketing course available that will teach you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing as beginner. I'm sharing all my methods, strategies that helped me to start making those commissions. I'm sharing my mistakes, which services you should start promoting, which services you should avoid, and so much more. If you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Please, only serious people, and see you in my next videos.